Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can alpha lock in the Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Navigate to your document on Affinity and insert a pixel layer by clicking into this button here. Select it with your left mouse and then guys start adding content or shapes or drawings to the pixel layer. You can use the pencil or paintbrush tool, for example. So let me go, for example, with I don't know, anything like that for the sake of this tutorial. That's the pixel layer. So to protect the alpha or to lock the alpha, you can do that by clicking into this button here. And now guys, if I, for example, start drawing, for example, you will see that only that pixel area here will be affected by a new color, and the rest, the surrounding area, will be protected through the alpha lock here, right? So we can use it, for example, to draw into this area while keeping the surrounding area unaffected. And that's how it works on Affinity Designer. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.